Welcome to Aloha Maids, where exceptional cleaning services meet unparalleled customer satisfaction. With over 100,000 successful cleanings and more than 1,000 glowing reviews, we are proud to be the trusted choice for apartment owners and renters alike. Meet Scott S., who shared his experience. I booked with Christy yesterday, and today, Lorena arrived right on time. She transformed my apartment in just over 2 hours. If apartments had a new car smell, mine would have it now. Professional, friendly, and thorough, I'll definitely book them again. And then there's David F., who praised our seamless service. The online registration was simple, and Liza, an Aloha Maids rep, quickly contacted us to explain everything. Sonia, our cleaner, did an outstanding job. Our apartment hasn't been this clean in ages. Lori F. trusted us with her mother's needs. My mom is disabled, and her apartment was in disarray. After Aloha Maids visited, she was thrilled with the care and kindness of the staff. They arrived promptly and did a fantastic job. Lastly, Catherine V. shares her moving day relief. We moved recently and left our old apartment in a mess. Aloha Maids not only cleaned it beyond my expectations, but also helped us sort and move our belongings. At Aloha Maids, we don't just clean, we create spaces that you can truly enjoy. Join our community of satisfied customers and experience the Aloha difference for yourself. Book your appointment today and let us bring the sparkle back to your home.